Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video we'll be reviewing the Google Home Mini first gen after using it for 1 year. Like usual, we'll divide this in several segments. So here are the segments. So we have the spec of the device, also meaning the outside of the device. Is it compatible for daily life? Was it worth $50? Before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and now let's get started. The spec of the device, it has 2 far-field microphones, captive touch control sensors. For audio, it has far-field voice recognition support, hands-free uses, 360-degree sound with 40mm driver, Chromecast and Chromecast audio built in, Bluetooth support. Now we're going to see the outside of the Google Home, like the colors. So let's see the colors, what type of color they are. They have the chalk, the coral, and charcoal. So I have the charcoal right here. It's black. You can see at the front is orange. The weight of the device is 173 grams. The dimension of the Google Home Mini is 3.86 inches in diameter, 1.65 in height. The power cable is 4.92 feet, equals to 1.5 meters. Let's see the type of material that the Google Home Mini is made. Durable fabric, non-skid silicone base, plastic housing created using recycled material. Now let's talk if it's compatible with daily life. So after using it for 1 year, it's very useful. For example, doing to-do lists, seeing traffic if you're going to work, and also like this is the most cool part is learning new languages. Like there's a lot of new languages like Arabic, Malay, Japanese, Chinese, Hindi. The most important part of the device is that you can answer questions only using voice without opening a phone or a laptop. Now that's the cool part of the Google Home Mini. So my English is not that good, so the Google Home Mini can pick up my words even though my English is very bad. So yeah, it has a very good word tracking. So if the assistant can answer them, it will say please try again. So let's move on to the last segment, which is it worth $50? So first thing you guys need to know that I bought it on Amazon because I couldn't find the Google Home Mini anywhere near to my area. So I bought it on Amazon. So I was very happy I didn't get scammed from Chinese clone Google Home Mini. That's a joke, by the way. So now that's out of the way, it's not worth buying it because there's a new one called the Google Nest Mini. Now it's the same price, $50, but it's better than Google Home Mini. It's the second gen, but basically the Google made a new thing that you make every Google Home Nest Mini. So it's the same thing but the second gen. But if you don't have one nearby like me, you can buy this Google Home. It's very useful for like answering questions. If you don't need it, if it's not necessary, don't buy it. But if you have $50 in spare, you can buy it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tech review. That's the end of the video. Stay safe, have purpose in life, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye!